Okay, so now I'm outside and it's time to fire that mother up. So anyway, we're outside because obviously I can't run this thing inside my shop. So we're going to be checking for oil pressure. We're going to be making sure that the carburation is set. You'll notice that I have my lift chain still on because I'm taking it back off that stand. The customer's going to come and get it. But I got it wired up to the fuel line here. There's no way that the chain can fly into the fan. This is my test shroud. It's, you know, just a shroud that drifted through. It's chrome, nothing special about it. This is an FC cross shaft. I like it because it's got a little handle here. So everything's looking pretty good so far. And I'm going to go get some ear plugs in and we will make sure that this guy runs.